three, few, one. Few, ready, three, few, one.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up. First and foremost, a Wull on the with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. AJA, so subscribe if are your first time. Yes, sir. Alright, people, we are talking about what the description of the video says, so no worry on yourself. We are kick it off with who remember George Floyd, the brother with them would kneel down in the man chest overseas, where it end up make him breath stop. Is it? So him die. You see me? Yeah, stifle. So end of the day, the person in regards to the actions where they taken, is it there say him get sentence. So what really go on, peeps, is that 10 hours worth of deliberation did go on in the court between 12 members of the Minneapolis jury. So them found the former American cop Derek guilty, is it? So he might go face up to a couple of years in a prison behind bars and again, but just know say this is what them show for make it look like something go on, but we'll leave that. So up next, you don't know the style. Vybz Kartel oldest son, Likkle Vybz, celebrating birthday like yesterday and a couple of hours ago. You see me? Bless up, you know it going the day. And him girl, them say, finally them cite a image or a video itself proof say she pregnant. End of the day, you see me? Yeah, man. Right, this is all our rich people business, and anybody can talk and discuss about it. Yeah, man, it's a good look. The man them a scored goal. Look like every kick the dog them kick and alone mesh. I don't know. Wanna talk to me down in the comment section, is it? Yeah, man, multiplication of that for gone, you know. You see me, when you can create the video again and check out our belly. And then I see say, yo, when I see the pole pot look, I see the pumpkin look, guys. You see me, and I mean say so the people them find it. You see it? So we just there for vlog. Who are gone? You see me? Right, this.
Lava, the man say first thing. First thing, when my video him, he say if him it goes a boom, and at this me I try to tell us the man and I know a cheat code. Cause if me go a boom and catch you a gas station and buy gas in a one buckle. Zine, remember say you had done one of them man there already. All the man have to do is walk over to his car and say, yo, Escobar, where you do? Oh, so we are going, you know, to go car to we are going to full up with them gas here, you know. You cheat code now and get where.
Him run.
You see me? Him run, go back at the gas pump, go hide. So the minute you do that, you're guilty. You give away yourself.
No, but
you should have done.
I see your lava go and Bishop and all know you can't walk and talk flyers to the anniversary.
Him should have just say, yo, nothing now go on, and you know now go on, and Bobby took us give him money and him buy to weed whacker and start gardening business.
Man say nothing now go on. Say that you don't want the man say?
No, but me I say at least use a cheat code lava.
No, yeah, me I say to you. Me nah pick up female in no way at all. I me I say you post a video of his start fuckery. Because listen me I say Roxy, him post a video and who him at in the video. Lava, none of where him up, you don't live at Jamaica, so the man will show you what's going on.
Okay. All right. Yo, me can't, me a cut you, man. Me can't deal with that.
I credit you begin the man. I credit you begin Bishop.
No, he must give me commission, right? Me I tell him, say.
Yeah, but him no want to do that because walk and talk a part of the team. But walk and talk him contract, no wait till like Nicky Blacks them.
Whoa.
Him contract no wait till. You know? Cause no, everybody flyers make ready for the anniversary and we can't see walk and talk like that. No.
Whoa. Yo, good no style. But can I read a Bible verse?
Yeah. So my friend Easy Wine. I like Easy Wine to say.
St. Matthew 5. Blessed are the peacemaker, for they shall be called the children of God.
Yo, bar God, I try link him now.
When I post the video and tag on and say like, oh, we wanna love trouble him. And I say, I go trouble him. I never know say, when that over here beat him, so.
The world a beat the man be. And tell the man have a newborn shirt.
Bishop Escobar, don't talk about you never know them with a beat him, so Bishop.
Right.
You're wrong, yeah, so Bishop.
Thank you very much. That's all me do want hear.
Bishop, don't say that, Bishop. You know
Thank
where
you very
that.
much. Thank you very much. That's all me do want hear.
Rooksy, September you're born and I say everything good.
That's all me want hear. If me go put something and add Rooksy in it.
Bishop!
Yeah?
Bishop, you
That's all
know
me
the
want hear.
outcome of the video. The only thing me say about the video, me not have a problem. My uncle say, he must show lava them who go on a yard because you know, don't live here.
Yeah.
No, but
You get me?
But you know fuck it I go start, bro.
Yeah, but you show a fucking show, chat and laugh, no
Right.
safe.
Right. I add 3 of the people.
Sorry. My bad.
God.
Yeah.
Not really.
Yo, remember Rooksy, and I like my pick up for him. Because I sure say him know that happen. I make sure add them 3 person in it to start
because
fuckery.
All right, so why you not post a video like that? Why you get a tag like that and you not post it, lava? You not follow it up or nothing?
All right. None of them no repost it, you know.
Yeah, lava.
No,
why you get the tag?
No, Pretty
Are
Dan
you
send my
ugly
voice
laugh?
note. Pretty Dan send my voice note.
No,
say,
pretty than post it.
Pretty Dan, none of them no post it, Rooksy.
No, pretty than post it. Me see on pretty than page.
Pretty
Yo,
Dan
me not get the
post
tag.
it,
Me not- Yo, listen. Pretty Dan no post it. Pretty Dan say.
Yo, well on. Easy.
They're not even doing
Easy
it.
one,
They
send me a
are
request.
not
Easy one, send me a
Unless
request.
you-
Easy. Easy,
I
send me a
just say, yo,
request.
they're gonna send one video. Wait.
Pretty, she post it, man, Bishop.
Hold on.
Man, I find watch it. Watch a Rooksy. What that for Rooksy?
Yeah, man, I name Bishop Escobar. Man.
Yeah, but you're soon call it back.
Yo.
What that ever necessary, Bishop?
Yo, Lava, you're so not safe. Yo, look more. Yo, what kind of big setup this dog? Yo.
Bishop,
Rooksy.
nobody not set you up, Bishop. You do something where it get viral, Bishop. I
Right.
just started.
What?
You do something and it go viral.
What me do?
What you mean by
You
what
make
you
the
do?
video and it go viral.
Yeah, so if
Right.
you have to make the video, brother, I'm going to post it and it's done. A 9-day cry.
Cause Bishop,
Yeah,
you
what
never
me do?
must, you never must wind down the glass, you know.
Lava.
All right.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah?
Bishop wind down the glass. You never must wind down the glass.
Me never must wind. You see it?
See?
it? Me never must wind on the glass, you know.
Yeah.
Me never must wind on the glass because I put my go so. I'm a mark the camera up on the phone. Me put the camera up on the glass. So it not show no.
All right. Rooksy.
On a video, man, I
Rooksy.
what can talk, right?
Yeah,
And then
Rooksy.
wind down the window and I say,
Rooksy.
Lava, watch out for you."
Ask him. When my video walk and talk, who for name and call in it?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you know, don't live
All
at
right, then.
Jamaica.
You know I got at my brother.
Yeah. And
Wow.
all the while you make walk and talk come for the show, come tell you, be a lie.
The man,
Walk
me
and
no
talk.
know, me
All we
don't
go
know, me no live
All
there.
we are going, walk and talk.
So
Alright,
why
easy
you
one,
not
send a request,
appreciate
man,
a
easy.
video from here, they ain't live here?
Alright,
Yo.
Easy,
Here what?
send a request now, easy.
That means
I hear the
you
deal
have to
now.
put it in boss.
Whoa. No,
That
no,
Where
means
say
in
Bishop?
boss
No.
after today.
no, me I'm come at the left and say, him said Rooksy food a road, you know.
No, I lie, man.
No, in boss now. In boss
I
now.
lie, man. Lava, me not tell you, say, I lie, walk
Lava.
and talk,
Yeah.
man.
In boss now then. You might get bookings now. Remember, say my mother is a prayer lady, you know. Me have favor in anybody me go run a blessing, you know. Yeah, man, say in boss now. You might start get some call now to do some ad and something. And yeah, you might say, yo, people, you know the thing go. Yo, I may buy $40 gas. Can you see the party I sat there? And then me I drive one and this alone. So gas I go raise now.
Same no, a stylings turn out to be something
So
big. then.
yeah, so him can just use it and capitalize on it now and say, yo, me I run all ads now. $40 gas.
$40
you
like
get
gas
any
money, I
ads.
call him then.
No, but he might go up next week, you know, Bishop.
Cause a big buckle there about $40 full it, you know.
Bishop, walk and talk, supposed to go up next week, you know. Yeah, lava anniversary, man.
And a weekend, a Sunday.
A weekend.
Yeah, man, you
Yeah,
can do
weekend.
gas ads. Here, lava. Them have to capitalize on them.
We might man do gas ads.
So right now, him response to all gas station right now. Anybody want him just run the gas special right now. And just gas up the ads there. Him car never out of gas.
Is it as a animator giant? Is it? Your easy session on
Lava, the giant easy on the live. Make sure go and comment. We not pay on the mind. We are reason. They're not add easy tonight. We are reason. She too enough. Make sure go sit down.
But me like her, she cool.
She's not when me the fan. Take me off for others.
Okay.
Eh?
But me not lie still. I bet you stop feed her, you know. Cause not the food now, she not put on no weight, you know.
Pussy.
Yeah, cause me see she put up 2-piece picture. Me see she put up 2-piece picture this morning,
Nah,
Bishop
man,
of
she
me.
not put on a weight, man.
Me I say, but weird.
Roxy, look here. Izzy, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
The amount of food Roxy remember say all people cooking here do, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? And I like me with us prang, you know. You see me? Because I'm not like me and a big chef. But and the cook when I see a cook here, brother.
True.
And Bishop, Bishop, watch you know.